On February the 3rd, 2025, officers with the Columbus Division of Police responded to a public library on North Nelson Road on a call of a vehicle that was stolen at gunpoint. After talking to the victim, the officers began using resources like flock cameras to locate the stolen vehicle. The vehicle was eventually located by the Columbus Police helicopter in the neighboring jurisdiction of Grove City, Ohio. When officers responded to the area, they located the vehicle, which took off, and a pursuit ensued. During the pursuit, the 16-year-old suspect fired on multiple civilian vehicles. He eventually bailed and was observed jumping into a dumpster by the Columbus Police helicopter unit. The Columbus Division of Police released limited video from this incident. A firearm was also recovered near the suspect.
Okay, there is a blue vehicle behind it. I don't know if that's somebody's plane car, because it looks like it's following him. Okay, we are continuing westbound. Coming up to Hoover Road.
Go north or south? Or west?
And if you go northbound, Hoover Road.
Yep, going north.
Okay, just pulled into the UDF gas station.
He's right in there.
Cruisers, he's coming back out. Okay, he's back on Southwest Boulevard.
Can you get? Can I get what? 73 from behind the I got it.
Okay, was this at gunpoint?
738 firm.
Hey, be advised, Grove City says the car that was struck said somebody was shooting out of the vehicle.
738 behind the vehicle. Careful, he's gonna blow this.
Okay, continuing on Southwest. And he's turned northbound on Richard Avenue.
He just shot at a vehicle, be advised. It's going slow enough, don't be afraid to pit him. Fuck!
Okay, westbound Addison.
Fuck! I don't know if we're good. Stand by.
Coming in. Addison.
Remember, we gotta clear the car if we get him stopped.
Yeah, you're on it. Stay on it.
Brakes. Oh, fuck!
It looks like when he fell down, he's in the blue dumpster. Guy running north or south.
Hey Mason, let us know if you see anything. Columbus Police!
Yeah,
Empty hands, we're not leaving. We got chopper overhead.
Yeah, there was a man that ran south of that gray house, right around that house there.
Stay with the body box so we don't have any crossfire, officer and officer.
Hold the air. Chopper, can you see him in the dumpster? Chopper, he jumped in that dumpster on the left side of the dumpster, and looks like he crawled underneath some of that junk there. If somebody wants to come out and check this.
Columbus Police, we're not leaving. We have a dog.
It looks like the exact description. Yeah, there's 20 on it.
Just get up. It's good.
I'm moving up top.
Hands!
Put your hands on the edge. Hey. Hoover, give him command. Just give him command. Give him commands out.
We got the 33. The gun's over here. We got it in the
They had the 33 in the parking lot.
Thank you. No, I know. I'm just saying.
I know, I got you. I got you.